Meaning of duly.
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 Duly. Duly means in a proper or appropriate manner. It is often used to imply that something has been done in accordance with the necessary procedures, requirements, or legal obligations. For example, if someone is duly elected, it means that they have been elected in the correct and legitimate manner. Similarly, if someone is duly authorized, it means they have been given the appropriate permission or approval. In summary, duly implies that something has been done correctly and according to the necessary protocols or standards.